Good afternoon everyone. Today we're looking at another one of the classic Casios. We're looking at the Casio A158W today. Watch is housed obviously on a very simple piece of like card and plastic covering. There's never really a lot to say about the Casio packaging. It's more of a focus on the watch. So this is the Casio A158W with a 36.8mm case diameter and an 8.2mm case thickness. Retails at just £60 and weighs 48 grams. As you can see, it uses a digital movement. It's a digital quartz movement, which is a module 593 with a CR2016 7-year battery life. The guaranteed accuracy for this watch is plus or minus 30 seconds per month. That's the quoted rate on the Casio website. See if I can get this thing off here. So the actual, according to the Casio website, the casing is made of resin and chrome plating. Hence, obviously, that it's got a bit more of a sort of a Game Boy look to it with the shine, rather than a retro circuit board look like you might have with the F91. It's got resin glass going over the top of the watch here, and the actual functions of this watch, you get an auto calendar which updates the month automatically for you, including the 28 days for February. And you get a daily alarm if you opt to have that on, hourly time signal as well, and you get a backlight as well. So you get lots of features. You can see that just turning on there when I press that. Obviously you can't see that very well because we're in the light here, but you've got that little light on the side there if you need it. It's splash resistant, so it's water resistant, but it's not to a lot. I think it's like 30 meters or anything like that. And you've also got a stopwatch. A stopwatch operates in 3 different modes. So you've got elapsed time, split time, and first and second place timings. So it does work. You've got lots of little functions with this watch. Let's come around the casing. Nice sort of hexagonal shape. Coming down to the strap, so the actual lug width for the strap, you will need a compatible 18mm strap if you want to change that over to something a bit more suited to your needs. If you don't like the stainless steel, the actual width of the strap at the first link is not the same size as the actual lug width for the interior case link here. Full stainless steel brush finish on this strap here, as you can see. Come all the way down. You've got a an old-fashioned style buckle down, well, not buckle down, but a sliding buckle, if you like. This little plate here lifts up and slides down based on what size you want for your strap. A full Casio embossed like lid to go on top of that. It's a bit like a clip, I suppose. And looking at the back plate, there's no sort of quick release on the actual components for the strap itself. So you will need a little tool if you want to change that strap completely. But let's have a look at that back plate there. So you can see the Casio sort of A158 print on the back there, with the 593 module in the back as well. There's I think there's 6 different variants for this watch, and this one I believe came out in, let's have a little check, when did this come out? I'll write this down somewhere. Yeah, they've been seen in the 1984 catalogue, so it goes back quite a long way, this particular watch. The F91 is a little bit more recent, but that's just going by sort of information I could find out online. Anyway guys, that is the Casio A158W.